Do you know how people say, parehong kaliwa ang paa or two left feet? Well, I was sort of that way in the beginning of walking again. In the 4th to 6th months following my hospital fall and diagnosis of an acute thrombotic ischemic stroke. Mom and my physical therapist, E, helped make me learn to walk and to walk properly, like one would a toddler. Left, right, feet, left, right. Truly, I was a walking toddler. Ano be? Hindi ako marunong lumakad. On the 11th to 14th month, when it came time to climb, even if it was just one step up or down, they helped make me learn a climbing pattern for someone whose stroke affected the left leg. Ito yon, my climbing savior. To climb up, I place my left leg first on the next step, yung walang stroke, and my right leg with a stroke second. The stroke unaffected leg has to lead the stroke affected leg, which finds it difficult to lift itself up. To climb down, it's the other way around. My stroke affected leg has to lead my stroke unaffected leg so that it won't drag itself around in attempting to descend. Para hindi maguluhan sa kagustuhan niyang bumaba. Unless I climb that way, non-stroke leg first to ascend, leg with stroke first to descend. Matutumba ako. I fall down. Ganoon na yata yon forever and ever. It doesn't look like our sari-sari store is going anywhere. To save our front yard, where this sundry goods store is located, we had permanent shelves made and placed on the yard, plus a gate awning for the customers. When sleeping during the somewhat cold nights, especially of December through February. Mahirap for me na ilagay at ibalik ang kumot sa leg ko with a stroke. I need to wrangle with the blanket all night using my left arm and leg to pull it back up onto the right leg each time I had stood up, such as to pee. Ganoon talaga. After sleep, I make it a point to fold the blanket I used myself in the morning. Tinutupi ko yan mag-isa, agad-agad, even if fairly difficult, since I need the bed to do my exercises sometime after waking up. Next time, about a reverberating letter to my stroke.